Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I should sleep early.
I should sleep early.
I should eat on time.
I should eat on time.
I should drink water.
I should drink water.
I should brush my teeth.
I should brush my teeth.
I should wash my hands.
I should wash my hands.
I should wake up early.
I should wake up early.
I should do my homework.
I should do my homework.
I should listen to Mom.
I should listen to Mom.
I should be polite.
I should be polite.
I should share toys.
I should share toys.
I should read books.
I should read books.
I should say sorry.
I should say sorry.
I should say thank you.
I should say thank you.
I should help others.
I should help others.
I should play nicely.
I should play nicely.
I should tell the truth.
I should tell the truth.
I should be kind.
I should be kind.
I should respect elders.
I should respect elders.
I should respect teachers.
I should respect teachers.
I should not fight.
I should not fight.
I should not lie.
I should not lie.
I should not waste food.
I should not waste food.
I should study daily.
I should study daily.
I should say please.
I should say please.
I should not litter.
I should not litter.
I should take care of pets.
I should take care of pets.
I should stay clean.
I should stay clean.
I should cut nails.
I should cut nails.
I should comb hair.
I should comb hair.
I should wash clothes.
I should wash clothes.
I should eat fruits.
I should eat fruits.
I should eat vegetables.
I should eat vegetables.
I should exercise daily.
I should exercise daily.
I should be honest.
I should be honest.
I should be thankful.
I should be thankful.
I should not shout.
I should not shout.
I should not hit.
I should not hit.
I should help mom.
I should help mom.
I should help dad.
I should help dad.
I should love my family.
I should love my family.
I should be friendly.
I should be friendly.
I should respect rules.
I should respect rules.
I should wait my turn.
I should wait my turn.
I should not be late.
I should not be late.
I should smile more.
I should smile more.
I should stay safe.
I should stay safe.
I should be careful.
I should be careful.
I should always try.
I should always try.
I should listen to dad.
I should listen to dad. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.